What's up, guys? Sam Rebels Off-Road. I got another exciting new product from Kemimoto. And this time, what we have is their knee pads for the Kawasaki KRX. So we're gonna go ahead and open up this package right now, show you how to install them, and give a quick review on them. So go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and we're gonna get right into this video. So if you're a big person, kind of like I am, these knee pads are supposed to help out a lot with the comfort in your Kawasaki KRX. We're gonna go ahead and try them out. We'll see if they do provide some extra comfort to our ride. So we're gonna go ahead and check out these knee pads. All right, cool. So got about an inch, maybe inch and a half of extra padding there. Got these Velcro strap right here and the clips. Yeah, so looks like you can open that up. That's where the padding gets installed. But yeah, got some good squish to it. And so this is the right side, and then this is the left side. And these are some instructions that it came with. But we're gonna go ahead and show you how to get this installed. So you don't really need these instructions. Let's go to the machine and get them installed. So we do have a couple of Kemimoto products on our machine already. So we're familiar with their branding and their logo here. However, I kind of wish that they had an option for a green one. This red and black is really nice if you have a red and black machine. And it really won't look that bad on my green machine, but you know, it'd be nice if, you know, say there was a green option or an all black option. First, we're gonna go ahead and install the left side or the driver's side, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. Basically, you're gonna come in here like this. So the first step to getting this installed is we're gonna go ahead and remove this push pin right here, the one directly below the cup holder. And this one can be a little tricky to get at, but we're gonna use some flat blade screwdrivers and kind of pry it up and out. There we go. All right, so once we have this push pin removed, we're gonna go ahead and pop this completely out, separate it into two pieces. So we have this piece here and then this piece here. And then there's this little tab right here. We're gonna go ahead and put this push pin through the hole that is cut in that material there, just like that. And then we're gonna take the push pin and put it back in and go ahead and push this guy back into position, and that will give that a firm attachment point there at the bottom for this knee pad. And then now that you have that push pin in place and that little clamp, we're gonna go take these clips here and here, and we're gonna feed it down below the plastic right here and adjust it into position, and then right here, and also adjust it into position. So you can see the clip goes right there and right there. And now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So now we have both of the knee pads in place with the push pins down there and the clips up there. And then finally, we're gonna take this Velcro and pass it back behind the dash and connect the two pieces of Velcro together between the two knee pads. So that's gonna be a little hard to show in the video, but hopefully you'll get the idea. So now we have the knee pads, and they're nice and secure on both sides. Now all that's left to do is take the side-by-side for a spin and see how it is, you know, if it's comfortable or not. Because that's ultimately what these are for, is to, you know, keep your knee from banging up against that center console, cushion the blow a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and test that out. Just from that quick ride around the yard, I could already tell that this was much more comfortable than without it. And so, you know, am I gonna say that this is an absolutely must-have? No, but it does a lot for the comfort. And, you know, once you get on those rough trails, you know, you're bouncing back and forth, or you're doing those tight, fast-paced trails, and you're really leaning into those corners and stuff, I noticed that my leg was kind of leaning up against that, and it was cushioning the impact from the plastic. And so really, it's nice. I mean, my legs sometimes are bruised after riding, but with this, I feel pretty confident that they wouldn't be bruised after riding. You know, like, I'm a big person. That extra comfort goes a long way. That's why I picked the Kawasaki KRX, is because of the extra room in the cab. And this makes it that little bit more nice and comfortable. So go ahead and check them out. I definitely recommend this. These come in at around $45, and I really think it's worth it for that added level of comfort. They're super simple to install. If you find yourself with your knee up against that plastic, or your leg, your shins up against that plastic at all, this will help a ton in your comfort level. You won't feel so beat up, your legs won't hurt as much. If you do that aggressive style trail riding, especially, this actually adds a lot of comfort for me. It's well worth the price, and I think your legs will thank you. For the month of August, Kemimoto is going to be running its annual anniversary sale. Check out the links down in the description where you can find more information and coupon codes for up to 20% off of Kemimoto products. Go ahead and smash that like button if you found this video helpful, and consider subscribing so you do not miss a single one of our upcoming Rebels Off-Road videos. We have a bunch more content coming up, reviews, riding videos, and giveaways that you're not going to want to miss. So go ahead and subscribe so you do not miss a single episode, and we'll see you next time.
Hey babe, aren't you forgetting something?
Where's my f***ing sticker?
I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning.